Presets are the most powerful feature in Divi 5. They help you build faster, stay consistent, and scale your design without repeating work. Now Divi 5 takes preset even further with the Preset Manager, a dedicated control center where you can browse, create, edit, organize, and even export and import every preset on your site from just one common place. And in this video, we are going to break down what Preset Manager is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for the modern Divi workflow. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. If you want to learn more about Preset Manager, we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you're done with this video, I would highly recommend you check out our blog post. I'm sure you'll find it really helpful. So what exactly the Preset Manager in Divi 5? Now, the Preset Manager is a centralized dashboard that shows every preset in your site in one common place, which includes element presets and option group presets. Now, instead of hunting through individual modules, you can now manage your entire design system from a single panel. Now, once you have updated Divi to the latest version, here is how you can find the Preset Manager. Just open up any page in the Divi Visual Builder, and if you go to the left sidebar here, you will find a new icon. It says Preset Manager. Let's click on this. And this is going to show all the presets that are being used or created on this website. Now, let me just go ahead and drag it here so that we can have a better view, and let's enlarge it a little bit. So if you take a look, we can see there are two options here. First is element, which represents the element preset, and we have group, which represents option group presets. Along with that, we also have a search option for filtering so that you can just search your preset and you will see all the presets in just one go. And this is going to make it super easy to handle large websites where you might have a lot of presets to work on. Along with that, we also have this filter option. So you can select the preset based on the module type. Now, if you open up any preset, so there might be a situation that you end up creating a lot of presets. So you can also arrange your favorite one by just dragging and dropping like this. Now let's take an example and let's add an accordion here. So we just go ahead and add this accordion module. And here in our preset manager, we have these presets for accordion. And right now this one is set as default because this is showing the dark blue star as highlighted. But let's say we don't want to make this as default. We want to use this one as a default preset. So every accordion we add will now have this style on it. Now, just in case we want to create a new preset using this as a base, so we can simply go ahead and duplicate this and then click on this edit preset icon. And now we have a completely new panel opened up where we can edit our preset. Now, if you notice, we also have the background preview option. So it's going to fetch the colors from your variable manager and you can easily test your preset on different backgrounds. And then if you take a look on the right hand side, we have a completely new different control setting because this one is only handling the preset settings. So whatever changes you are going to make, it's not going to affect your live website or your live page. It's first going to affect here on the preview panel. Once you approve and save preset, then it's going to update on your website. So let's say we go to design and maybe for the body text, we can go ahead and change the font to something like this, or maybe we want to add some border. So maybe we can add a border radius. And maybe we can pick a border color like this, or whatever changes you want, you can do that from here. Then click on Save Preset and it will come back to your page editor. Now, if we open up the Preset Manager again, go back to accordion, we have a new preset listed here, which we can again rename. So let's go ahead and edit the preset again. And in the content section, in preset settings, here we have an option to give it a name. So let's say we call it yellow accordion, something like that, and then save our preset. So now we can see our preset listed in accordion right here. And if we mark this as a preset, it's going to apply on every accordion on our website. But if we keep a simpler one as default, and if you want to change the preset on the particular accordion or the particular module, We can simply go ahead and do that from our conventional way. We can select the presets from here and then choose our preset. But the preset manager is going to help you organize and do all the editing in one common place. Now, just like creating a new one or duplicating one, you can also delete a preset right from the preset manager. Along with that, if you want to start from scratch, you can click on Add New Preset, then select the module that you want to create preset for. And again, you will come back to the same preview mode where you can design your preset, give it a name, and then it will be listed in the preset manager. Now this one is for making new element preset. If we need to make a new group preset, then from the top, first switch to group and then click the Add New Preset button and then select the option for which you wish to make a preset. Along with that, you can now import and export your presets so that you can reuse the same styling on different websites, which is going to be a huge time saver if you are a freelancer or an agency owner handling multiple client websites. So all you need to do is just click on import and export here, and you will see the option to either export. So you can just give the name to your file and then export your preset. And once the export is done, you just need to open up the new website and just switch it to import, and you can import any preset JSON file right from here. So the new preset manager is a huge leap forward for Divi 5. It gives you clarity, speed, and control over your entire design system, and all done inside the Divi Visual Builder. Just go ahead and download Divi 5 public beta today and explore the preset manager for yourself and start designing smarter. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And if you want to learn more about the preset manager, then do check out the blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.